If you're broke tomorrow, don't blame the economy. Blame this one repeatable habit. Here's the shock. Poverty isn't usually caused by low income. It's caused by low decisions. People chase higher paychecks and ignore higher thinking. They trade time for dollars, then spend those dollars on things that vanish. Mistake 1. You treat liabilities like status. A fancy car, probably a money sink. New phone, instant depreciation. You confuse spending for success. Mistake 2. You confuse income with wealth. Income is a river. Wealth is the dam, the fields, the crops. If you don't build assets that produce cash while you sleep, you stay dependent on that paycheck. Mistake 3. You fear small losses so much you never risk small bets. Compounding needs time and tiny experiments. Side projects, index funds, small businesses, not lottery tickets. Mistake 4. You mirror the financial habits of the crowd. Social proof is great for trends, deadly for finances. But here's the value. Fix one habit and your whole future changes. Start by tracking 1 month of spending. Cut one recurring expense that buys status and redirect it to an asset. Invest, learn a saleable skill, start a micro side hustle. You don't need a miracle, just better decisions repeated. Want a simple 30-day plan to stop surviving and start building? Hit like and I'll drop it next.